In today's video, we're diving into how you can automate ad creation with AdCreative AI and how this powerful tool can simplify your digital marketing strategy, saving you time and money. If you're struggling to create effective ads, stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how AdCreative AI works and how to get started. Plus, I'll show you how you can try it out completely free with some exclusive bonuses. AdCreative AI is a tool designed to streamline the entire ad creation process by using AI to generate high-converting ad creatives tailored to your business. Whether you're working with Facebook ads, Google ads, or any other platform, AdCreative AI can take your ad campaigns to the next level without the need for hours of manual design work. To start, you simply input the key details about your business, like your brand and the target audience you want to reach. AdCreative AI takes these inputs, processes the data, and generates multiple ad variations, each optimized for performance. These ads are designed to increase engagement and drive better results without needing a design team to create them. What's great about this tool is how quickly you can generate high-quality creatives. AdCreative AI leverages machine learning to identify patterns in successful ad campaigns and apply these insights to create ads that resonate with your target market. This means you're not just getting random designs. You're getting ads that are backed by data and designed to perform. If you're new to digital marketing, it can be overwhelming to know where to start with your ad creatives. This software simplifies that process by removing the guesswork. You'll have access to multiple creative variations that have been tested for success, allowing you to choose the one that aligns best with your brand. One of the biggest challenges for marketers today is testing multiple ad creatives. With AdCreative AI, this is a breeze. Instead of manually testing every ad, the AI generates and suggests the most effective creatives for your audience, so you don't have to waste time on trial and error. This approach is incredibly valuable, especially for those running multiple campaigns at once. You can also track your ad performance directly within the platform, which gives you insights into how well your ads are doing. This real-time data helps you make adjustments to optimize your campaigns on the fly, improving your ROI and ensuring you're always on top of your ad performance. If you've been creating your ads manually, you know how time-consuming it can be. The beauty of using AdCreative AI is that it saves you time. Time you can reinvest into scaling your campaigns or working on other aspects of your business. Here's the best part. You can try AdCreative AI completely free through the link in the description below, with some exclusive bonuses to help you get started. No hidden fees, just the opportunity to explore the software and see how it can benefit your business. Before we wrap up, remember that AdCreative AI is an all-in-one solution for ad creatives, helping you generate high-converting ads, test them, and optimize for better performance without spending hours on manual work. And don't forget, you can access an exclusive extended free trial through the link below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the software and see the results for yourself.